Dev, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is there any disturbance?
No, sir.
Okay, just hold on. Yeah, just hold on. There is a connectivity issue. I'm just checking it.
माइक ऑन नहीं है सर। माइक ऑन कर दो सर।
Hello, Dev. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, 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 yes.
Is there any doubts you want to ask about unit test 1?
No,
Have you
sir.
gone through it? I have already uploaded the question bank on the classroom. Okay, then we'll quickly go through this 5 years. This is from the Mahindra. So weightage for this will be 5 marks. So 5 years stand for this Siri, Ceton, CISO, Shiketsu, and Shitsuke. So what is Siri? Siri is nothing but a sorting. Ceton is nothing but a systematic arrangement. CISO is nothing but a cleaning. Shiketsu is nothing but a standardization. And this is your Shitsuke is your training and discipline. So in sorting, what you do, you divide the objects into two groups. That is the items which are necessary and items which are not necessary. So you have to get rid of the unnecessary items and keep the necessary items. So that is what you do it in sorting. And as I said in my earlier lectures also, that whatever things you don't use for 6 months or more than 6 months, you automatically you have to get rid of those things if you are not use it for 6 months. That means those things are not required. So automatically it goes into your unnecessary list of things. So like how to reduce the papers on your table. So you have a pile of papers here. So go through them, sorting the following categories. That is the papers which needs immediate actions, papers which needs low priority, then which are pending, then reading material, and papers which are required for the information. So you have to accordingly sort them, and papers which needs immediate actions that you have to clear first. And this is how you can reduce the pile of the paper. So there is something called as the 4D principle. That is 4Ds. That is do, delegate, delay, and dump. Okay. So if you use these principles, then definitely that pile of papers can be reduced. Then Ceton, that is you have to arrange it properly. As per any certification program, as I told, that index time should be around 3 minutes. That is something is asked by the auditors, and if you are not able to produce within 3 minutes, then you get non-conformity. That is your system do not conform to the quality management systems, and then your certification is not valid unless you comply with the system requirement. So Ceton is nothing but systematic arrangement. Many times we have the things, but since the things are not arranged properly, you get you do not get the things uh, within, or you don't get the things immediately. So it takes time. Sometimes even 10 minutes, sometimes even 15 minutes. I'll give an example of medical shop also. There are a lot of medicines, but the chemist he issues you the medicines immediately, mm, within few seconds. So you have to remember that a place for everything and everything in its place. And I have also told that if you take something from somebody, then you have to see that you return that something to the same person. Don't return it, via. Don't return it via. और you have to return it immediately. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि वो भूल गया, but it doesn't happen. The people remembers. अरे मैंने उसको वर्नियर दिया था, माइक्रोमीटर दिया था, और even it could be a simple पेन also. The people will remember. मैंने उसको पेन दिया था, अभी तक उसने पेन रिटर्न नहीं किया. लेकिन अपने को लगता है अरे वो भूल गया, चलो जाने दो करके. So arrangement can be done through signboards. You can use color codes. You can use markings, and you can label it also. So whatever has been arranged, it can be clearly understood, clearly notified. Then cleaning, that is CISO. Cleaning is most important. most of the maintenance problem arises only because of the equipments not maintained or not cleaned properly, because of the rusting, because of the dust, the equipment breakdown happens. So if you clean the things regularly, then this kind of maintenance problems will not arise. And there is a team of people in most of the MNCs that they come during the lunchtime or during the breaks and they clean the machines. So cleaning will always help you, and this is important in our routine works also, like in our houses also, like cleaning of the fans or cleaning of the walls. So the dust which is accumulated, if you clean it at regular intervals, your house will also look beautiful, and it will be hygienic also, because dust which is accumulated, it gets inhaled, and you fall sick. So clean your workpiece completely so that there is no dust on the floor, machines and equipment. So if you if you go to Japanese companies, you will see that the peoples, they are working continuously for the crew. There is a crew of the peoples who are working continuously on the cleaning operation. If you visit Singapore, the cleaning is an activity of the operator itself. The operator himself is responsible for cleaning his machine and the surrounding. If we visit our hospitals in Bombay, like say Bhaktivedant Hospital in Mira Road, you'll find one person continuously cleaning the floors. Because hospital cleaning is very important, because that's very hygienic. You can so it has to be spotlessly clean, and that helps in reducing the machine downtime and as well as in reducing the number of accidents. And if the number of accidents are reduced, then obviously your attendance will increase and your payment toward the sickness or towards the hospitalization will reduce. Then Seketsu stands for the standardization. As wherever possible, use standard items. You have to have standards, you have to have standard norms, you have to have SOPs for neat and clean workplace. And you have to see that it is maintained and it is observed properly. So it's you can use visual management, you can use color coding, so that will help you to detect the problems and for the early action. Then last is your Shitsuke, that is your training and discipline. So we need everyone to maintain these 5 years guidelines, identify training needs, and very high degree of discipline is required in order to achieve the productivity. Then next one, that is in module 2, we have to study the ergonomics. So what is the multidisciplinary nature of the ergonomics? So ergonomics is applicable to anatomy, physiology, engineering psychology, in medicine, in anthropology, as well as in biomechanics also. Rather, ergonomics is useful everywhere. So you look for physical sciences, you look for biological sciences, or sociological sciences, or mathematical sciences. Everywhere, ergonomics has its footprints. So whether it is design, whether it is sustainability, whether it is security, whether it is human-computer interaction, whether it is operation of the machine tools, ergonomics has put his footprints. Like suppose take an example of machine, operator panel. So where the operator buttons are positioned, where is the emergency stop, where is the start switch, where is the stop switch, where is the spindle on switch, where is the foot switch, how to open the chuck, how to close the chucks. So these are all ergonomically defined. See, this is an arrangement of table and chair, how the chair is placed. while working on the laptop, because nowadays in lockdown online learning is continuous, and people sometimes sit for 10 hours, 12 hours, uh, or even 16 hours also. So it's very tiring. So if your sitting arrangement is not ergonomically designed, uh, then uh, it will cause your health problems. So how this chair seat design? See the back support, see the neck support, see how your feet are supported on the grounds. See the position of the hands. See how the elbows are supported. See how your wrist is supported, and see the position of the fingers. It has been said that you should avoid the use of mouse. Of course, in modeling softwares, you need to use the mouse, but as far as possible, you should avoid using the mouse, because the fingers has been used continuously, and the nose, like your the finger which is near to the thumb, the nose gets affected, and the shoulder pain starts if you are operating your mouse continuously. So it is always better to use a touchpad. So there is a mathematics here, that how the foots are rested, what should be the angle of the seat rest, and depending upon the height, depending upon the weight, you have to uh, look upon the chart and design your sitting arrangement. So these are some examples. These are some example in the offices how the sitting arrangements have been designed. So good workplace design is a sign of ergonomics, so which will keep you healthy, fit, and you can remain engaged while performing your work. So ergonomics will have a significant impact on an organization productivity, and research suggests that a well-designed ergonomic workplace can increase the performance on an average by 12%. And let me tell you, the MNCs like say Volkswagen, Volvo, or any automobile industries, there are almost 15 to 20 engineers working only on the ergonomics, or rather more. So every department you will see uh, engineers working on ergonomics, especially on the assembly lines. The ergonomics is very much,
Hello.
yes,
No, sir. That
yeah, has been admitted, especially in the ergonomics, has find wide applications in the assembly lines in the areas where certain areas are difficult to assemble, like fixing up the propeller shaft or fixing up the universal joint. So many times in certain assembly lines, there are overhead, conveyors or J-type hooks on which the vehicles moves. Or sometimes the workers, they have to go down in the pit and do the assemblies. So depending upon the place, the workstations are designed, of course, by considering the ergonomical factors. Nowadays, you can simulate, before you invest. uh, like you have some ergonomical design, so before you put it to the management, you can simulate and you can present it to the management. You can present it to the management before doing the investment. So just go through this. I'll just come in a minute, come from the washroom. So this is a cycle like now this. So what you have to avoid, like where you can have improvement, ergonomic improvement. Like now, suppose if you want to lift the heavy loads, so you should not bend. So how this can be ergonomically improved? You have to use good quality tools, then anti-vibration gloves, lubricate the tool regularly. So if there are shocks or vibrations in the vehicle, then put shock absorber. Use good quality seats in the vehicles. So ergonomically designed furniture is important to maintain good body positions. In dentals also, you must have noticed the ergonomics plays very important role. These are the some applications in motor vehicle transportations. Then you have applications in military, then in quality management, in health planning, in noise level. Especially this is very important if you have press shop nearby. Then how to protect your eye, head. So we will have detailed discussion on ergonomics. This was just an overview.